This is Caleb eating macaroni and cheese. You don't want your bowl anymore? Don't throw the peas on the floor. Those are good for you. Caleb, eat those. Those are good. Yeah, you like squishing the cheese in between your fingers, don't you? And, yep. Alright, I think you're done, aren't you? Are you done? Are you done? You and your slimy fingers? Cheese-covered fingers? What? What do you want? What do you see over here?